Hey people, let's start in a minute. Let me check if I'm live or not. Sorry, I'm late today, so yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, we'll start as soon as possible. Not able to check. Okay, I'm live. Okay, yeah. So let's begin with the problem description without wasting any time because I'm late by 2 minutes. So we are going to calculate the percentage of users who attended a contest. Okay, so we have the users table with a column name user ID and username, and user ID is the primary key for this table, and each of this table contains the name and the ID of a user. Okay, so we have another table which is register, which has the contest ID and user ID. Okay, and contest ID and user ID is the primary key combination of columns for this table, and each of this table contains the ID of a user and the contest they registered into. Okay, cool. So we need to write a solution to find the percentage of users registered in each contest rounded to two decimals. Okay, so we need to find the percentage of users basically who. Okay, let's look at the other part. So return the result table ordered by percentage in descending order. In case of a tie, order it by the contest ID in ascending order. Okay. Okay. So here we will see example of users table 6 to 7 with the username Alice Bowman Alex, and register table is contest ID and user ID. Okay, and the output you can see contest ID is 208 like that. So basically we can group by contest ID, and then we need to calculate the percentage. So percentage is 100. So how they have calculated here is all the users in contest 208, 209, 2010, so they registered. Okay, so basically this contest ID 208, 209 and 2010 uh, they registered. Okay, so here you can see 208, 209 and 2010. So everybody is registered here 222. So 2 is 2 by, okay, so basically 3 times 2 is available and total users are 3. So 3 by 3 is 100, something like that. Okay, okay. So yeah, so let's calculate uh, how the things go. So select contest ID. So basically contest ID from the what we are choosing register table. Okay, and then we are rounding. Okay, so just remember this. Let me take it down. Yeah, and let me take this down. So this entire thing is one only itself. Okay, so here, okay, if I pull it this side, whether it will go up. Okay, still I need to pull. Yeah, so now you can see select contest ID. So basically contest ID from here, and round. So this is round, it starts from here and it ends here, and we are rounding it to two decimal places. Okay, so first is round. Okay, because they mentioned here where is it? Yeah, there, this one, rounded to two decimal places. Okay, and then what we need to do, first we're calculating the distinct user ID. So basically this user ID, okay, into 100, that is converting into percentage. Okay, and divided by select count of user ID from users. Correct. So firstly direct we are selecting user ID, that is distinct count of user ID into 100, and select count of user ID, so that is total user ID from users. Okay, so basically that is the percentage. As percentage we are aliasing it, and then from register, that is this register, and group by contest ID. Okay, and order by percentage descending. So they have mentioned here, if you can see, we need to percentage in descending order, so that is the reason percentage is in descending order, and contest ID is in ascending order. So we have mentioned just the contest ID, so by default it will be ascending, right? So if I run this, we will get the output. So basically this is the output, that is contest ID and percentage. Okay, so hope you understood this. So let's move to the pandas. Okay, So in case of pandas, what we can see here is, first we are grouping register. From the register we are grouping contest id and as index false, and then we are aggregating count of user id and unique in the sense which are unique. Okay, so if I return just the df from here, okay, let's try that. Okay, and let's control x this. Okay, so let's run this. Let's see what the output get. Basically I don't think it will give any output. Okay, it gave. So what we get here is, we got contest id like this, 207. Okay, so from register we are choosing. So if you can see the register here, uh, we get 207. So 207, okay, count is 1 because it is only 1. Okay, and 208 it is thrice, so 1 2 3, so like that. Okay, so that is the first df, which is like contest id we're grouping and aggregating count of user id, which is n unique. Okay, now next statement is df of percentage. So we are creating one column, and what we're doing here is df of count. So basically this count, df of count upon len of users. So basically the length of users. Okay, so which is that column? Yeah. Oh, okay, sorry, the length of users in the sense this data frame. Okay, basically the length of users into 100. So if I run this, so you will see this. So if you can see, we got like this. So 207, 1 and 33.33, because it is 1 upon the length of users is basically this 1 2 3, like that. Okay, and 3 by 3 is basically 1. That is the reason it is giving 100. Okay, so this is that, and let's go back to, okay, control CZ. Yeah, so this is the final. So what we want just the contest id and the percentage, right? So and the sort values, percentage as contest id. So percentage we want it in descending, so ascending we have given false, and true is for contest id, right? And we are rounding it to 2. Basically this percentage we are rounding it to 2. So let's run this. So yeah, so this is the final answer. 208, 100, and 66.67 and 33.33. Okay, so hope you understood this query. I have broken it down into proper format and explained you. If you still have any doubts, do comment it out. I will try to solve them. Okay, so yeah, do like, share and subscribe if you're new to this channel, and yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.